In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up automated replies in Gmail. So if you're out of the office for a week and you want people to know that you're not at the office, so you'll get back to them at a later time, this is going to be how you do it. So what you're going to want to do is go to the gear icon, go down to settings, and if you scroll down to the very bottom, you'll see what's called the vacation responder. What you're going to want to do first is turn the vacation responder on, and then you're going to select the dates that you want the automated replies to go out. Once you select the dates, you can go ahead and type the subject and message. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to keep it really short. Hey, I'm out of the office. And so this is what we'll send every time someone sends me an email between July 29th today to the 3rd of August. And it also gives you an option only to send a response to people in my contacts. So what that means is people who aren't in my contacts list, they will not get this automated response. Although I want everybody to get my automated replies, so I'm going to leave that box unchecked. Now once everything's set up, I'm going to go ahead and click Save Changes. And it's going to take me back to my email account, and as you can see at the top, it just has a reminder up here that I am sending out automated replies, and it even gives me an option to end it a little bit early. So that's how you send automatic replies in Gmail. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. If not, feel free to leave a like, and thank you for watching.